Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to install Google Gemini on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that if your Chromebook is missing Google Gemini, then you can simply install the PWA version of Gemini. Let me show you how. For that, simply open your Google Chrome browser, visit gemini.google.com and log in with your Google account. After that, click on this three-dot icon. Then click on Save and Share. Here click on Create Shortcut. Name your shortcut as Gemini. Then click on Open as Window and click on Create. And it will install the PWA version of Google Gemini on your Chromebook. Now if you want, you can also pin this shortcut to the Chromebook itself for quick access. For that, right click on it. Then click on Pin. Now you can use this shortcut to open Google Gemini. And after that, you are ready to use it on your Chromebook. So that's it. This is how you can install Google Gemini on a Chromebook if you are missing it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.